Good afternoon everybody, here I am in the Wonderpost HQ and I've got something really exciting to tell you. If you look around here, Roger's had a digger in and what he's done is created an allotment space for us, because over the next couple of years we're going to be showing you how to grow fruit and veg from this allotment. And in this allotment we're going to be using a lot of our products, you know, the Wonderpost soil improver, the fast growth fertilizer. And the exciting thing is I'm going to split this allotment in half so you can see how big it is. So this half here we're going to fill with Wonderpost soil improver. This half here we're not going to use any soil improver, so we'll be able to show you how effective soil improver will be on this allotment. So keep tuned, we're going to have some exciting things happening. Roger's going to be putting some sleepers around the edge here soon and putting chicken wire in to stop the rabbits, and then as soon as he's done that I'm going to start doing some planting. So keep tuned, we'll be showing you how to get the most from your allotment with Wonderpost. So don't forget, as we always say with these videos, power your garden with Wonderpost.